Understanding tit for tat, a guide to an idiomatic expression. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language. Give tit for tat. This idiom is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in. Give tit for tat is an idiomatic expression that means to retaliate or respond in kind to someone's actions. If someone does something to you, you do the same thing back to them. It's often used in situations where someone is responding to a wrongdoing or an insult. This phrase has a bit of a playful, yet retaliatory tone to it. It's always interesting to know where these expressions come from. The phrase, tit for tat, has been around since the 16th century. It started as tip for tap, meaning a light blow for a light blow. Over time, it evolved into the phrase we use today. Understanding the origin helps us appreciate the evolution of language and idioms. To understand this idiom better, let's look at some examples. If someone ignores your messages, you might choose to ignore theirs, demonstrating a tit for tat approach. In a sibling rivalry, if one sibling plays a prank, the other might retaliate with a similar prank, another example of tit for tat. These examples show how this phrase is commonly used in daily conversation and interactions. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use certain idioms. Give tit for tat is often used in informal settings, like conversations among friends or in storytelling. However, it might not be suitable in formal or professional contexts because of its connotation of retaliation or revenge. Understanding idioms like give tit for tat is a great way to enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. It reflects the dynamic and playful nature of language. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips and lessons. See you next time.